Well, we got an old boat motor. Having a hard time getting the top off. Had to drill out a couple rivets because the back handle was locked up solid. Wouldn't even move. Broke the arm off. Finally got the cap loose. And oh my gosh. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow. Man. Oh my lord. Wow. Looks like the mice been making that home for a long time. Wow. I should get my mask on. Oof. Man. No wonder it didn't turn over. The Mouse Hotel. I think I better take this outside and blow it out, or else just hose her down. I don't know if there's any life left in this thing or not, but I will find out.